Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Glopen. Now you might know that Shanghai is one of the largest and most international cities in China. But do you actually know that there are some gigantic shops in Shanghai that are from well-known foreign brands? So in this video, we're going to show them one by one and show you how amazing they are. And these stores are not just shops. They are experiences that encapsulate culture, innovation, and a taste of a global market. Stick around on this tour that you wouldn't want to miss. Let's get started. So now we're in front of Jingan Temple, one of the most iconic locations in Shanghai. And right in front of it is the Apple Store, the largest in Asia, occupying an area of 22,000 square meters. So let's visit this store that was just opened on March 21st. Now this is the exact door that Apple CEO Tim Cook just opened a few days ago. So we are now in the Apple Store. And as you can see here, the space is really spacious. And here you can enjoy the latest technology, the modern architecture, and shopping. This shop adopts a unique architectural design, using a circular theater-style central space, and applies some Chinese elements. For example, the wood and stone used in the store are all from China. At the moment, there are some training courses ongoing, teaching you how to use iMessages on an iPhone. What is unique about this shop is that it's connected to the metro station. So let's hop off to our next location. Now behind me is one of the only two Resevre roasteries of Starbucks in the world. This is not only a shop, but also becoming a tourist attraction in Shanghai today. So we're now on the ground floor. On my left-hand side, you can find the gift shops, where you can find all kinds of souvenirs from Starbucks. On my right-hand side is the food and beverage area, where you can find all kinds of coffee, tea, as well as sweets. Behind me is the roastery, where you can see the whole process of how coffee is roasted. Here it's pretty unique. You can follow the whole roasting process. Also, you can see here there are some traditional Chinese characters for the decoration. So let's go to the second floor to have a look. Actually, I've also never been to the upper floor. Let's see what there is. So we are now on the second floor, and this place is not just a cafe. As you can see here, there's a bar, there's the food, there's a tea place, and then there's the coffee place. So let's see what they have uniquely here. So I was really looking forward to this espresso martini, but they told me that the bar is still not open yet. In the morning, they only have this morning in Sicily. So we're gonna have a try of this. So by chance, we ordered this very special DIY morning in Sicily. So I was told that this is olive oil, this is an espresso, and this is a special cream. And as it is a DIY product, you can mix it as a different proportion on your own. And you can try it in a different way. So let me try it for you. So it seems like I somehow destroyed this thing. I hope it's still gonna be okay. This cream has a lot of different flavors. The gentleman told me that there is passion fruits in it, there's mango in it. So it really has very different composures in it. So that is a $12 coffee. What do you think? But of course, it's more about the experience. So we're now on the Nanjing pedestrian road, and behind me is the flagship of Adidas. It occupies an area of more than 3,700 square meters, and some people say it's the largest in Asia. So this is a large shopping area including 3 floors. As you can see here, it includes all types of sports as well as the originals. Here you can also test and create or print and customize your own shirts. So most of the sub-brands or the products we find here are identical internationally, except this one. This is a brand called Wuji and is a collaboration between Adidas and Jet Li. So here we have found a live stream room. You know, in China, e-commerce is really important. So probably they will live stream on the different platforms in China, such as Tianmao or Douyin. Now behind me is Decathlon. And even though it's a French brand, the Chinese market has been growing really fast, with over 200 shops, and in Shanghai alone, there are more than 20. So behind me, this one is the largest in China and the second largest in Asia. Even though I've never been to this one, let's check it out. This store is not only a heaven for outdoor sports enthusiasts, but also a sports playground. With over 300 sports brands selling products to cater to dozens of sports programs, it is bound to meet your diverse needs. So we're now on the second floor of Decathlon, and here you can try out different items and use the facilities here. So let's have a try with the basketball.
No! God, please, no! No!
So here it's good for trying out the different items, the balls, etc. But the actually basket is not the normal height, so it doesn't really show off my skills. So we already have a treadmill at home and we can try out something different. So as you can see here today, it's a morning on a weekday. There's not that many people, so I can freely try out the different items and equipments here. But also, as it passes 10:30, there's also more kids there playing basketball. So this is our purchase of the day, and also trying out the self-checkout. Even though this system is already available in many countries, I think it was first, or at least one of the first countries that implemented it. I think it was in 2017 that I first tried it out here in Decathlon in Shanghai, and I was super surprised by its accuracy and efficiency. So now we have arrived at the Swedish furniture brand, IKEA. As you can see behind me, this complex is huge. It covers over 50,000 square meters of floor plan, and on my right-hand side, you can see this huge 7-story parking slot. There's over 1,200 parking slots inside. So let's go inside and check out the furniture and food. In total, there are 4 levels inside, and let's check it out. So here, once you come in, you have to start from the 4th floor, and then you go 1 floor below every time, and then you can explore the whole shop. So as you can see here, it's pretty normal IKEA furniture, pretty simple style. There's not that much difference than the other IKEA stores around the world. I'm really surprised that even on a weekday at 12, there are so many people here queuing, and we actually have to wait for our food. So all of it together was only around 12 euros, 94 RMB. It's really a highlight for customers in China to experience this kind of Western meal. You see here that there's the Swedish flag all over the place, right? So let's have a try of the famous Swedish meatballs. Yeah, it tastes pretty much like the IKEA ones. in Europe. So in the end, we've got the 1 RMB ice cream. But I think it's more interesting to talk about the process. Actually, you need to order it on your phone, on the mini app, and then you need to scan the QR code there, and they give you a piece of invoice. And then with that invoice, you give it to that desk, and then they will provide you this 1 RMB ice cream. So with that to do, let's hop on to the next stop. Now on our way back, we realized this very interesting advertisement. On a rainy day, you pay 9.9 RMB for this umbrella. But on a normal sunny day, you pay 29. Why do you think there's a price difference? Leave a comment in the section below. So this is our last stop of this video, Costco. Even though this is not the largest Costco in the world, it is the first in China. With 14,000 square meters of floor plan, it is flooded with different kinds of items. What is also amazing about this place is it is also flooded with customers, even during weekdays like today. So let's have a look. Within the store, there is a wide variety of food, clothes, electronic products, etc. In addition, the sample tasting stalls in this store is also very popular. On the other hand side, the Pudong store that is about to open will reach 15,000 square meters, which is even larger than this one. So within this huge shopping area, a lot of people come here because Costco provides a lot of goods, items that are imported that you cannot find in the normal Chinese supermarkets. And that's why there's so many people here. So that's it for our video today. From the Apple Store to the mega Costco store. We went through many different mega stores in Shanghai. What is your favorite? Remember, each trip to a shop is not just a shopping experience. It is a journey through culture, innovation, and stories. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.